everyone, welcome back to today's video. So if you remember from my lifestyle and mental health update video, I was on about ordering the Nikki Tutorials palette off Beauty Bay and that I didn't receive it because Hermes lied that they delivered it, and you know, everything going on there. I finally got a refund from Beauty Bay, so that was okay. It was actually the night of the video that video went up. So I didn't get it off Beauty Bay, but I did, however, pick it up off Depop. Now I have a look on today from this palette. Now forgive me guys, because I'm trying something new, a new technique I've learned from Lisa, and so it didn't go the best today. I think yesterday went a lot better, but I'm not too mad about it either. Being as I'm learning a new technique, I don't think it's too bad. I don't. Although I was cussing at myself earlier on for certain mistakes. But anyway, I'm going to show you this palette. I'm going to swatch it also. And so here is the palette. And I love the design on this. I love all that dark side stuff and the light side. It's just gorgeous. I really love that. And it's one of those palettes, you know, the ones that have a glittery raised cover. And normally you'll do that and all the glitter comes off. Now I have got glitter on my hands, but it's not from this. Well, it is, but the shadows. Anyway. But this one doesn't, so that is really nice. But I really like it. It's all shimmery. The box is a shimmery sort of effect as well. I don't know if it's picking up, but it's really nice. So this palette, now excuse the mirrors because I'm trying not to blind you. This palette looks like that. Let me lift it up higher. And it is just gorgeous, and I have gone in with this a few times, but I wanted to share it with you before I did a look on camera for you. And I'm still learning how to use pressed pigments, so it might be a few weeks before I actually feel confident enough to do it, although I'm obviously confident enough to come on camera with this look today, so you know. So anyway, one of the mirror sides is magnetic, the other one is a normal mirror. One says I am me and the other one says you are you. So I'm going to close one side, so that's the darker side, and this is the lighter side of Nikki. And I'm going to swatch this, and I have my wipes there already, so I'm all organised for once. So first I'm going to just go over them left to right. Just look at that. Wow. So let's put this down on, actually if I can hold it, it'd be better, won't it? So the first shade is Redemption. Blend and Snap. Ivy. Now, Ivy feels like a creamy shade rather than an actual dry powder shadow, if you know what I mean. And Slasher. That is gorgeous on the eyes. I used it yesterday. It is stunning. So let me just pop a wipe out of here. Wipe my fingers, and I'll do the last one of that top row, and then I'll do the second row. So if I just do the top one of that row first, let's just get a whole complete swatch of the top row. And this one is called 5 AM. Okay, so let's see, because these swatches are going all over the place. The next shades, so just give them a swatch. And yeah, Roxy Catan, which is stunning. Oh, what's that one called? VLA, so I can make out. Wow. Oh dear, my sight's going worse. Mikai and something. Ooh, I've got that on the outer corner today. Is it Mikai? Oh gosh. Yeah, it looks like it says that. Okay. And just pop that there. Mila, something like that. I am absolutely trashing the names. Messing the names up completely, I'm sure. So I'm just going to clean this off. Oh my goodness. Right. Yeah, just wiping on my leg, you know, my top. Okay, so there's another one there called Underground, so that's the top row complete. I tell you, I'm going to do it that way. And that one is Underground. And that is such a beautiful duochrome. I will swatch them shimmers again in a moment and just show you how nice they look, because that light is very bright and it doesn't always show up the way they should. Okay, third row, I'll keep that other one on. Okay, Plot Twist is that one. That is actually a pale blue. It's not actually picking up on camera. A little bit on the powdery side, but nothing major. Aura is that one. You can see how that is. Basic Trut is just a sort of a skin tony shade. And All In. Wow. I absolutely adore these shimmers in this palette. It's beautiful. And the last one of that row is called EU. So EU. Where did I swatch that last one? I am confused. I'm going to put this there. Beautiful green. So the last row, and we have Pride, Summer, Mama Tutorials, and Amsterdam. That looks very purpley on camera to me right now. It might not on the editing, but it actually is a blue. Maybe it has got a bit of purple in it. Actually, it does look like it has. And the last one is Mr. Tutorials. And that is this shade here. Wow. You can see that it's got a shift to it. It's duochromes. So they're the swatches. Now I'm going to just go off camera and do the swatches of the shimmer ones for you. And I'll be back just to show you without this light on and with the light on. Okay. So here are all the shimmers. Now let me just show you with the lighting on. And now I'll just switch this off. Yeah, you can see them a bit better now. You can see the different sort of colours in there. Now let's see, I think it's Pride where she wanted a little bit of blue in it, which I think it's picking up on camera, I'm not quite sure. And then you've got this one which looks like it's got a bit of gold going through. That one's like that creamy one, which seems to have a bit of a pink in there. And as you can see the green running through that. This is absolutely stunning. Let's pop that back on again. So as you can see, this is gorgeous. But it is a pressed pigment palette. And although I do have some pressed pigments in various palettes over in the drawers, I've not actually worked with them that much. Hence the fact I'm not going to do a look with this palette until I'm really confident I can show you how to apply it. Because you have to apply these pressed pigments a little different. Just a little different. You have to pack them on a bit first and then blend them out rather than just blend them straight out. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, guys. I hope you are all well. I'm going to see you next time for another video. Please do all the good stuff. It really helps out my channel and helps my channel grow. I will see you again next time for another video. Goodbye, everyone.